how to use our products and tools. Now, before I proceed, don't forget to subscribe and like. Also, hit the bell button for more updates and notifications. So, let's begin. Hi guys! Welcome back to Tolsen. So, today, introduce ko ang tool pouch. So, nakikita niyo first is ito. This is yung lalagyan pangkabit ng tape measure. Ngayon, naka-adjust to based on my size na itong belt na to. So, adjustable itong belt size na to. Belt buckle dito. Then, meron tayong 11 pouches. O, diba? Sa lid na to, may 11 pouches pa tayo. And, meron tayong nalagyan na hammer. So, claw hammer man yan, or other types of hammer. Okay. So, meron tayo dito 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, pa 11. Ito malaki pa. Ito pa 11. So, meron tayong 11 yan. Now, anong malalagay mo dito? Kahit ano. Smoke cutter man yan. Pwede yan dito. This is mine na. So, yung mga manilipis. Kunwari kasi screwdriver siya. So, pwede yan. Next. Ito. Imagine na ito ang tape measure natin. Di ba sa likod ng tape measure meron pang kabit? So, yun ang sa kabit mo siya. So, you see, very convenient kasi itong tool pouch na to. Especially, kapag aakit ka sa mga places, for example, may mga tao kasi, di ba, sa mga construction may parang level na sinasakyan yung tao, tapos umaakit siya, parang automatic elevator type, pero open. Tapos magpupukpok lang sila. Yan, mas maganda ganito na lang ang gamit kasi yung tool bag. Kasi alam ko, tool bag is nagbibigay ng another weight. Alam ko, may maximum weight tayo. So, kapag hindi na kailangan, sobrang dami na kailangan mong bitbitin, so better may tool pouch ka na lang para at least ganyan ka na lang, hindi ka na lang ganyan sa floor. Okay? So that is it guys. That's all what I can do today for you guys. I hope na enjoy itong video na to. And na-enjoy ko itong video na to. Stay tuned sa mga next videos namin guys. So thank you. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested with our products, you can visit our official website at www.tolsen.com.ph. We're also available on Lazada, Shopee, and GRABMART. Or you could drop by our stores. Links are provided on the description below. Again, don't forget to subscribe! This is Layatan signing off.